Leo, what do you say when someone helps you?
Nothing. I don't have to say anything.
That's not polite, Leo.
I don't care what everyone thinks. Leo, please.
Leo, please apologize to Emma right now.
No, she should apologize to me first. Leo, please just say sorry.
Leo, please apologize.
No, I'm not wrong. Leo, that's not how our parents taught us. I don't care anymore.
Leo, if you won't apologize, you'll miss today's class activity.
That's fine. I don't want to join anyway. Leo, why?
Leo, what's going on?
It's nothing. Leo, what's happening to you today? You'll understand later, maybe.
Class, let's take a short break while Leo thinks about his choice.
I already made my choice.
3 hours earlier. Leo, what's going on?
Nothing. This isn't the Leo I know.
Let's hours earlier.
Good morning. Today started like every other school day, but something unexpected was about to happen.
Leo, good morning. It's time to wake up for school. I'm awake, but I don't feel like getting up today. What's wrong, Leo? I don't know. That's strange. You're usually the first one out of bed. I don't know. I just feel different this morning. Different how? Just tired.
Good morning, my sweet kids. Breakfast is ready.
It smells wonderful, Mom. Thank you for making our favorite breakfast. It's just pancakes.
You're welcome, Mia. Leo, would you like some pancakes?
Thank you, Mom.
Leo, would you like some pancakes?
Just put them on my plate.
Good morning, everyone. I picked up fresh muffins for breakfast.
Thank you, Dad. They look delicious.
Here you go, Leo.
Whatever.
Leo, here's your favorite chocolate muffin.
Just leave it there.
Leo, could you please pass the orange juice to your sister?
She can get it herself. It's okay, I'll get it.
Leo.
Leo, some juice?
No thanks. It's okay, Mom, I'll take it.
Leo, that wasn't a nice answer.
Leo, could you please put your empty plate in the sink?
Someone else can do it. I'm finished eating.
In this family, everyone helps after breakfast.
Not today, Dad.
Leo, did something happen at school yesterday?
No, I just don't want everyone telling me what to do.
Leo, if something is bothering you, you can always tell us.
I don't need anyone's help.
It's almost time to leave for school. Let's finish breakfast and get ready.
Fine, let's just go.
Is everyone ready? We don't want to be late for school.
I'm ready. Let's just leave.
Leo, here's your lunchbox. Have a wonderful day at school.
Just give it to me.
Leo, please let your sister get into the car first.
She can wait. I'm getting in first.
Leo, could you please buckle your seatbelt?
Stop telling me what to do. I know how to ride in a car.
Leo, your sister is trying to help you. Please listen to her.
Everyone keeps telling me what to do.
Leo, your sister is trying to help you. Please listen to her.
Everyone tells me what to do.
Have a wonderful day, kids. We'll see you this afternoon.
Okay, bye.
Good morning, Leo. Are you ready for today's lesson?
I'm here, aren't I?
Leo, please put your backpack in your cubby before class starts.
I'll leave it here. It's not hurting anyone.
Before we begin, does anyone remember yesterday's homework?
I do. But I'm not waiting for you to call on me.
Leo, please remember to raise your hand before speaking.
Why? I already knew the answer.
It's okay, Leo. Everyone is still learning. Please remember the rule next time.
Maybe, but I still think I was right.
Emma, please share your colored pencils with Leo for today's activity.
Of course, Mrs. Carter. Here you are, Leo. You can use my colored pencils. Just leave them on my desk. Leo, Emma gave you her crayons. You should thank her. That's okay, Leo. You can keep using them. Good. I need them anyway.
You don't have to thank me, but it makes people feel happy.
Really?
Yes, kind words can make someone's whole day better.
I never thought about that before.
Leo, could I please have my colored pencils back?
I'm still using them. Wait.
Leo, when someone shares something with you, it's polite to give it back when they ask.
I wasn't finished yet.
Here, you can use mine.
Thank you, Emma. You're welcome. I'm happy to share. Emma is different today. She looks so kind.
Excellent sharing, Emma. That was very polite.
Thank you, Mrs. Green. I'll keep trying.
I'm still using them. Maybe you can borrow them after art class.
Oh, I thought you would share them with me.
Maybe Ben needs them too. I should find another way to finish.
Leo, your drawing looks unfinished. Do you need a little help from someone? I only have one marker left, and my picture still needs many beautiful colors. You can use my markers again, Leo. We can finish both drawings together today. Thank you, Emma. I really appreciate your kindness. I'll take better care of them today. Here are your markers, Ben. Thank you for trusting me to use them today. You're welcome, Leo. Thanks for bringing them back so carefully. Wait! Your notebook fell on the floor. Let me help you pick it up. Here you go. You dropped your notebook. I hope your class goes really well today. Thank you so much. You were really kind, and you helped me before my class started.
Leo, I noticed your kindness today. Good manners always make our classroom a happier place.
Thank you, Mrs. Green. I'll remember that every single day. Dad, I learned that kind words and small actions can make someone feel really happy today.
I'm proud of you, Leo. Keep treating people with kindness every single day.
I promise I'll remember my good manners, because kindness makes every day better for everyone. Kind words, helping hands, and respect can make every friendship stronger every single day. Tomorrow, I'll choose kindness first because every small good action can brighten someone's day. Leo, we must leave before Mr. Wilson comes back. I'm scared. What if he sees us? Wow, this garden is so beautiful. Look at all those colorful flowers. They look amazing. I wish our yard had flowers like these.
Please stay away from my flowers. They are very important to me.
Sorry, Mr. Wilson. We didn't mean to make you upset. He looks so serious. Why does he care so much about flowers?
I don't know, Leo. Maybe those flowers are important for a reason.
How was your day, kids? You both look very quiet.
Mr. Wilson shouted at us because we looked at his flowers.
Don't judge someone too fast, Leo. Maybe Mr. Wilson has a story.
Maybe, Dad. But he still looked really scary to me. Leo, your ball is near the flowers. Please stay on the path. I'll be careful, Mia. I only need one quick second.
Please stay on the path, young man. These flowers are very delicate.
Sorry, Mr. Wilson. I didn't know they could break so easily.
They do not understand. This quiet garden helps someone inside feel peaceful.
Mia, my brake feels strange. It is not stopping very well. Then ride slowly, Leo. We should check it before going farther. Leo, slow down. You are getting too close to Mr. Wilson's garden. I'm trying, Mia. The brake still does not stop the bicycle. Oh no, Mia! My bicycle stopped in the flowers. Did I break them? Are you hurt, Leo? Move slowly. We need to be very careful. We should leave now, Mia. Mr. Wilson will be very angry. Wait, Leo. Running away will only make this mistake worse. Leo, did you hear that cough? Someone may need help inside. I heard it too, but should we go closer to the house? We can't just leave, Leo. Someone inside might really need our help. Okay, but let's be careful. I still feel a little scared. Hello, ma'am. Are you okay? We heard coughing from outside.
I need my medicine, dear, but my water glass is empty.
Leo, call Dad now. Mrs. Wilson needs help from an adult.
Okay, Mia. I'll call him and stay right beside you.
Leo, call Dad now. Mrs. Wilson needs help from an adult.
Okay, Mia. I'll call him and stay right beside you.
You did the right thing calling me. Now stay safe beside me.
Dad, her water is empty and she needs her medicine now.
Mrs. Wilson, here is some water. Please take your medicine slowly.
Thank you. I feel safer now with all of you here. My husband planted every flower so I could see beauty from this window.
So he was protecting the garden because he was protecting you. I thought Mr. Wilson was scary, but I think I misunderstood him.
He may look serious, dear, but his heart is very kind.
Mr. Wilson, we're sorry. Something happened while you were away.
What happened? Is my wife all right?
Are you safe, dear? I was so worried when I came home.
I'm safe now. The children heard me coughing and called for help in time.
Mr. Wilson, my bicycle damaged your flowers. I am very sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth, Leo. That takes courage.
Flowers can grow again, Leo, but honest kindness is never forgotten.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. I want to help make the garden beautiful again.
First, lift the flowers gently, then give them a little fresh water.
I'll do it slowly. I really want to fix what I damaged.
Your brake is loose, Leo. That is why the bicycle could not stop.
I should have checked it first. Thank you for helping me. Can we put this flower near Mrs. Wilson's window? It is still beautiful.
Yes, Leo, I think that will make her very happy.
Oh, this flower looks lovely by my window. Thank you, children.
We wanted your view to feel beautiful again, Mrs. Wilson.
You are welcome here, Leo, but please respect the path and flowers.
I promise, Mr. Wilson, I will be careful and speak more kindly.